In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Regions Bank online banking account. This process is straightforward and only takes a few moments, so let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get you to the right website. Open your preferred web browser, be it Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you use regularly. Once it's open, type in the URL bar at the top of your screen, www.regions.com. This will take you directly to the official Regions Bank website. Once the site has loaded, look for the login button. It should be situated conveniently at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on it is your first step towards accessing your online banking account. Now that you've landed on the login page, it's important to select the type of account you're logging into. Regions offers different services tailored to various needs, so you'll see options like personal, business, or wealth. Choose the one that corresponds to your account. If you're simply managing your daily finances, you'll likely select personal. But if you're managing a business account or specialized financial portfolios, the other options might be more applicable. Make this selection carefully to ensure you access the correct account type. Moving on to the next crucial part, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Specifically, this will be your online ID, which is essentially your username, and your password. Pay particular attention to how you type in this information, making sure there are no accidental errors in spacing or capitalization, as these details need to match exactly what you set during your account setup. After entering your online ID and password correctly, there'll be a login button. Clicking this will take you forward in the process. At this point, Regions Bank may require you to verify your identity for added security. This verification usually involves sending a security code to a contact point they have on file, like your registered phone number or email address. This step is crucial for maintaining account security, so don't be alarmed if prompted. Simply check your phone or email for this code. Once received, enter it in the provided field to confirm your identity and ensure that your online banking experience remains safe and secure. And that's it. Once these steps are completed, you'll be logged into your Regions Bank online account, ready to manage your finances, check balances, or handle transactions, all from the comfort of your home. So that wraps up our straightforward guide to accessing your Regions Bank online account. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy banking!